How to use the Parts Replaced feature in CentraHub CRM. CentraHub CRM enables you to track all part replacement activities to ensure transparency. The following are the steps to use the Parts Replaced feature in CentraHub CRM. Step 1. Log into the CentraHub CRM account. Sign in to CentraHub CRM. Step 2. The application would display the CRM dashboard. Access the Request module from the menu and click on View Request from the drop-down list. Step 3. Click on any request on the Request List page. Step 4. You could access the Parts Replaced feature below the Related List option. Step 5. Click on the Action button of Parts Replaced to create a new record for the same. Step 6. A new page for Parts Replaced would be displayed. Enter the relevant details. Select the parts to be replaced for the product by using the drop-down list in the data grid. Select the product. Click on the checkbox if you want to create a customer asset. Set the bill amount or both. Step 7. After entering the details, click on the Save button. A new record for the specified part replacement would be successfully created. Get a free demo at CentraHubCRM.com. All-in-one CRM for any growing business.